In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero on PowerPoint. If you create slides that need citations or a references slide, this walkthrough will show you the fastest way to generate a clean, properly formatted entry from Zotero that you can place into your presentation with confidence. First, open Zotero. You can use the desktop app or the web library. Either one works for what we're doing today. Make sure you're signed in and that the sources you plan to cite are already saved. The goal is to pull a formatted reference directly from your collection, so having your items organized will make this smoother. Next, go to My Library. This is the main collection that holds everything you've saved unless you've moved items into custom folders. It's a good idea to check that the item's details, like title, author, year, and publisher, are accurate here, because whatever is stored in the item record is what Zotero uses to build the final citation. Now, find the title you want to cite and click on it to select it. You'll see the item highlight. If you have multiple versions or duplicates, pick the one with the most complete metadata. This helps ensure your final bibliography entry looks correct and meets your style requirements. With the item selected, right-click on it. On a trackpad or some keyboards, that may be a two-finger click or control click. If you don't see the right-click menu, make sure the item is highlighted in the center pane, not just previewed in the right pane. From the menu, click Create Bibliography from Item. Zotero will open a small window where you can choose your citation style. APA, MLA, Chicago, or any style your course, conference, or company uses. Set the output mode to bibliography, not citation, since you're building a full reference for your slide. For output method, copy to clipboard is usually the quickest option. It places the formatted reference on your clipboard so you can paste it straight into a text box in your PowerPoint slide or notes. Alternatively, you can save it as a file if you're collecting multiple entries to assemble later. When you confirm, Zotero generates the entry instantly based on the item's metadata. That's all there is to it. Open Zotero, head to My Library, select your source, right-click, and create the bibliography. A couple of quick tips before you paste the result into your slide. Keep your citation style consistent throughout your deck, double-check capitalization and italics if your style requires them, and verify that the item's details are complete in Zotero so the formatting comes out right on the first try.